The grey Rawl plug is one of the less talked about colours in the range, but for the right job, it's exactly what you need. Here's what it's for, what the size hole you need, and which screws to pair with it. The grey plug, this is not for everyday domestic fixings, it's built for applications where serious holding strength is a priority. Now this is worth addressing straight away. Grey and blue plugs of the same diameter can cause confusion because different manufacturers use different colour coding systems. Rawl plugs themselves use specific colours for specific sizes, but other brands don't always follow the same convention. Never assume the colour always tells you everything when you're buying from an unfamiliar brand. The size printed on the package is always the definitive reference. Grey plugs in the 10mm size range are used for heavy structural fixings. Now the drill bit, 10mm masonry bit, and as any fixing at this size, an SDS drill is strongly recommended over a standard combi drill. Getting a clean, accurate 10mm hole in dense masonry with a standard drill is hard work and risk an oversized or irregular hole that reduces the plug's grip. Keep the drill steady and drill to the full plug length plus an extra 10mm. Clear the hole fully before inserting the plug. Now for the fixing, you're looking at a number 14 to 18 screw, a coach screw or a metallic bolt depending on your application. Make sure your fixing is long enough to pass through whatever you're attaching and still get a solid 40 to 50mm into the plug itself. With heavy fixings at this size, adequate engagement inside the plug is critical to achieving the full holding strength. Tightening firmly but progressively at 10mm, you have a real mechanical advantage, and over tightening can crack the surrounding masonry, potentially in older brick. The grey plug is not for standard domestic DIY. It's overkill for shelves, mirrors and everyday household fixings, and a large hole size is unnecessary. And like all standard expansion plugs, it's for solid masonry only. Hollow walls, plasterboard and dot and dab walls need dedicated cavity fixing regardless of the plug size. If you're fixing into a soft or degraded masonry at this size, consider a resin anchor instead. The larger the fixing, the more important it is that the surrounding masonry is sound enough to support it. So 10mm hole, large screw or bolt, heavy structural fixing only, and always check the packet if you're unsure whether you've got a standard expansion plug or a specialist frame or hammer fixing. Get that right and the grey plug will give you an extremely strong, reliable result. Subscribe for more and I'll see you in the next one.